Hi my loves, I'm Felicia and welcome back to Felicia Marie TV. Today is Wig Wednesday. And I know you guys are like, I watched your last video. I know you said you were going to retire this old dusty crusty wig, girl. I'm going to cut it, you guys. Let's do this! I've never ever cut a wig before, so I'm literally just going to chop and see what happens. And I'm going to start, sorry, clear lip gloss. I'm going to start with these little dreadlocks here. I see nothing wrong with dreads, but this is not a dread wig. This is a curly wig. Alright, you guys. First cut. Oh, that might be too short. Too late. I'm so nervous. Like, I'm going for like a... You guys remember when Beyonce had that wavy lob? I'm going for that look. I'm literally not even using fancy hair scissors or anything like that because I literally have no idea what I'm doing. Yeah, I'm gonna cut this into a long wavy bob, a lob. And I'm just cutting this because although the wig is fun, the underside was really getting tangled. And I was like, you know what? This might look cute short. And before I retire it, because one thing I've learned from my Wig Slayers Facebook group is that you never throw away a wig because you can always reuse it for something. You could dye it or chop it. Or did you guys see Beige Olaf? She's like my favorite wig reviewer ever. She recently did a TWA video and I was like, oh, she cut her hair, and I was like, that's a wig. And she showed how she transformed a wig that was really long and curly into this beautiful tapered TWA. So like I never throw away a wig because I feel like it can be revived and played with.
It's fun. Like I said, I'm not a professional. I've never cut a wig before. I'm probably doing this like all types of wrong, but I'm chopping. Oops. These are barely like good scissors for paper, much less hair. That's too big. Wait. There we go.
Don't put clear lipstick on when you're cutting a wig because you're gonna get tiny wig hairs in your mouth. Okay, this is fun. Let me look in the mirror. This is kind of fun. I've been wearing this wig sideways a lot, so I've already been, here I'm going to show you guys what it looks like sideways. I've been wearing this wig sideways a lot, so I've already been getting like the short kind of playful look. This is really fun. I didn't think this would be as cute as this turned out. Alright, let me turn it back and finish cutting. So far, this is how much I've cut off. Yee! That's a lot. I really like the thickness of this right now. Should I cut more? But I'm not sure at the moment. Oh, there's still some tangles back there. Ooh, it's time to cut. It's time to cut! You're coming out, though. I'm coming out, so you better get this party started. I'm coming out, I'm coming. My little sister, you guys saw Chelsea in my Sister Dresses Me video. She wants to do a lit playlist tag, and I've never done one of those before, so if you guys want to see us do that, can you comment below? Like, just let us know. We want to see a lit playlist because we get lit, okay? I'm Haitian and Trinidadian, so we love dancehall. We love soca, compa. We are lit, like we love all types of music. R&B, rap. I love 90s and current rap. So I'm thinking of maybe doing a lit playlist because I've seen people do that and they're really cute and fun. And when I'm cleaning my house, I like to put those on and dance to them. Ugh, I'm trying to cut out like big chunks here because they're big tangled chunks. I think this helps with the volume because when I first cut this, it was kind of thick. I think cutting out from underneath helps with the volume.
If I'm looking out, I have a big window in my room. I feel like I keep seeing people walk past like they nosy, so I'm just looking to see what's going on because I'm like, why are there people in my backyard? I live in a house now, so I get like really paranoid, like there's security cameras and stuff, but still.
Okay, what do you guys think? This is my final look with this wig. Tell me what you think. Do you like it short? Should I go shorter? Oh, this is uneven. This is uneven. Oh no, this is really uneven. Hold on. Oh my gosh, this is uneven. Okay. Like I told you guys, I'm not a professional hairdresser, so tell me what you think about this. Do you like this cut? Is it uneven? Is it toe up from the flow up? You guys tell me if you like this. I really actually think this is a cute look, and I might play with this a little bit. Ooh, I'm gonna try it on with a silk scarf, BRB. My difficulty with these silk scarves is I always get the hair caught in the scarf, so I'm like tying up hair and scarf. How do you guys master this? Teach me your ways, oh beautiful black girls of the internet. Okay, you know what? Can't tie it, so tell me what you guys think. This actually turned out really cute. If I can figure out how to tie this freaking scarf, this will be a whole entire look. Alrighty guys, so this is the wig. Tell me what you think about it. Tell me if you like it chopped. Does it look good? Does it look uneven? I'm pretty sure it's uneven because I'm not a professional cosmetologist. Tell me what you guys think. If you'd like to see more wig videos, I make one every single Wednesday, Wig Wednesday. And if you'd like to see my beautiful face in your subscription box, I make new videos a couple of times a week, so you can subscribe, like, and comment, and you will see me all the time. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a beautiful day.